Welcome! If you're looking to stay on top of every event happening on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable event reminder notifications for your Facebook page using your PC, all updated for the latest Facebook interface. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, you'll notice a list of the pages you manage. Click on the page where you want to enable event reminders. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Now, focus on your page's profile photo. Click on it to access the page's main menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options to manage your page's settings and features. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option in the menu. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded list. This is where you can customize everything about your page. In the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts and updates you receive for your page. Scroll down until you see the Events option. Click on it to open the Event Notification settings. You'll see a toggle labeled Reminders. Switch this on to enable reminders for your page's events. Once enabled, you'll receive notifications for upcoming events, making it easier to keep your audience engaged and never miss an important date. And that's it. With these easy steps, you've ensured that you and your team will always be up to date with every event happening on your Facebook page. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.